So scheduling. Maintenance work that is planned and scheduled on a weekly basis, and a documented work schedule is produced each week. So that's best practices. Work schedule is developed through identifying all the authorized and uncompleted maintenance orders, all predictive preventative maintenance work due within the next 4 scheduling periods, and budgeted major work. Good planning will help improve parts management, and parts management improvements will help better planning and scheduling. So we need better parts usage predictions to help control the cost of spare parts. Basically, whether you have them as safety spares, critical spares, or order on demand. How much warehousing costs can you save, and what is the cost of not having the part when things break down and you lose production? Identifying opportunities for consignment stock. If you have small parts that are frequently replenished and need replenishment, you don't necessarily want to track the details. It's not cost effective, then maybe that could be consignment. Improving parts availability. Improving communication between supply chain and maintenance. The more you document and have history of issues with delays for maintenance in terms of missing the parts or wrong parts, the more information or data you have, the more you can communicate to supply chain to have improvements. Weekly meetings with supply chain, between supply chain and maintenance, can help also with the communication. So you're working on the same goals in mind to keep the site running, to keep production and safety. Good planning would also help control labor costs. Labor utilization, so you don't have people sitting around idle because they're waiting for parts, or they have the wrong parts, so everything is well streamlined. Labor constraints, things that will block labor. Missing equipment, so on. Labor requirements. You can do future forecasting. When you look at your plan in the future, you know how many different people you will need, different trades, and whether you need to contract some out, or basically based on schedules and planning, you can know what your requirements are and better organize and plan and schedule for that. Better resource planning, so you utilize the equipment that you have more efficiently.